Yes, this is the sweet basil or the basil leaf or the African basil. This one is the sweet one. It has a very good scent. Yes, once you rub it in your hand, between your hands, it has a very good scent. And then this leaf is also treated as a full topic on my channel. Yes, it is very powerful for those who want to do the love spell or attract. If you want to attract your lover, you can use this one to make a bath, a special cleansing bath, and also it helps very well. When it comes to its spiritual benefit, they are numerous. Attract favor and drive away negative energy, bring positivity, gives you a lot of protections. Even for the young boy born baby, it gives a lot of protection. Or the newborn babies, you use to protect them, they live. And then also for its physical benefit, it's very powerful to treat it's anti-inflammatory. If you have problem with inflammatory, this leaf is also very powerful. Yes, subscribe to the channel and watch the full video about this leaf, its preparation for spiritual use and physical use on the channel. Subscribe, like the video. Thank you for watching.